Hello, this is a development log that's about a game that I want to make that's going to be about the Great Pyramid. This is the Desert Rally race map from the Unreal Engine VehicleGame demo, and I'm probably going to be using assets from this map, maybe the whole map, I'm not sure, for my game because this has an Egyptian theme. This is a race game demo, and it has a car. Probably not going to be using the car. But I probably will be using the pyramids in the background. The idea for my game is it's going to be an experience where you can go inside the Great Pyramid, and it's not going to be an exact model of the inside, but it'll be an approximate model so you can get an idea of the size. And I'm probably going to use some of these assets that are Egyptian themed to make it look more realistic, but it's not going to be an exact model. It'll just be an approximation of the pyramid and the inside of the pyramid. So I'll be using some of these assets. I might use the whole map, but I'm not sure. I transferred the Desert Rally race map to the third-person character template. So now when I press play, I've got the third-person character on the racetrack. And the pyramids are out this direction. There's blocking volumes right now, so I have to remove those before I can go to the pyramid. I'm going to do that next. I'll show you how the character can run up the pyramid. You can't run up the side. So you have to run up the corner. Now I'm at the top. I'm going to go down the side and try to land on the top of that building. I went right through the building. Okay, I measured the pyramid default size on the scale is 111 using these cubes, which is the cube is a meter square, and this tall cube here I made 146.6 meters, which is the original height of the pyramid before it was somewhat eroded according to Wikipedia. And then on the side it's 230.3, and I centered everything so that the cube matches up on each side, which you can see here. It's the same on the other side. And then I raised the bottom cube to the top here, and then I rotated it 90 degrees here, and then you can see that the pyramid tip probably comes to about here, so it should come up to here. So it's just a little bit shorter, less than a meter shorter than the exact height that it should be, so it's probably close enough. I can just use it as is probably. If I wanted to, I could make it a little bit larger, but I'd probably just keep it the size that it is. And I'll show you what it looks like when I press play. So that's how I measured the pyramid size.